Hello friends, today's topic bloodbath in markets. Nifty crashes 1379 points. Now what? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Huge fall in our stock markets today. Nifty and Sensex closed almost 6% down. As you might have seen, all the exit polls were completely wrong. NDA was expected to win around 350 seats on the lower end of expectations. However, the actual results were very surprising. Nifty 50 index levels today. Yesterday's close 23,264. Open 23,180, that is 0.36% down. High 23,180, that is minus 0.36%. Low 21,281, minus 8.52%. Today's close 21,885, minus 5.93%. As on 4:30 p.m. when we were shooting this video, India has got only around 293 seats and India has got around 233. BJP on its own has not got a majority, that is only 245 seats. Hence, it will depend on the support of its alliance partners. In 2014 and 2019 elections, BJP got a simple majority on its own and did not require support from its alliance partners. However, this time BJP will need support of its alliance partners for passing various bills in the parliament. This is the reason for the huge fall in the markets. PSU stocks and Adani group stocks, which had rallied in the last 2 days, have seen massive fall in the stock prices. Most of the Adani group stocks were down around 17 to 20% down today. Similarly, large number of PSU stocks were down between 10 to 25%. Today's top losers in Nifty 50 index. Adani Ports minus 21.15%, Adani Enterprises minus 19.31%, ONGC minus 16.83%, NTPC minus 15.45%, SBI minus 14.40%, Coal India minus 13.75%, BPCL minus 12.9%, L&T minus 12.67%, Power Grid minus 12.35%, Shriram Finance minus 9.9%, Indusin Bank minus 9.3%, Tata Steel minus 8.78%, JSW Steel minus 8.2%, ICICI Bank minus 7.63%, Axis Bank minus 7.57%, Reliance Industries minus 7.49%, Hindalco minus 6.74%, Bharti Airtel minus 6.57%, Bajaj Finserv minus 6.25%, Bajaj Finance minus 5.87%, HDFC Bank minus 5.66%. This is the biggest single day fall since at least February 2022. Only 8 stocks in the Nifty 50 index closed positively. Volatility jumped up significantly, with the India VIX going up to 31.7, then closing at 26.7. Today, intraday jump in volatility was the biggest jump in the volatile index in at least last 9 years. Yesterday, when market rallied, VIX had fallen from 24 to 20. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 fell by 7.9% today, and the Nifty Small 100 index fell by 8.2% today. Many individual stocks in these indices fell by more than 10%. Surprisingly, there were quite a few FMCG stocks which rallied today. HUL was up 6%, Nestle up by 3%, Britannia was up by 3%, Tata Consumer was up by around 1.6%. We will need to see in the coming few days what decisions NDA will take regarding forming the government, how PM Modi will manage to put together the coalition government. It will be the first time that PM Modi will need to lead a coalition government. It will be a new experience for the next 5 years. India has seen multiple coalition governments in the past. Stock markets are nervous when there is political instability or perceived to be unstable. Since there is likely to be coalition government, we need to see stock markets react in the coming weeks and months. Now, what should investors do? Short-term investors, if you had bought and held for some stocks for short-term, most likely there would be sell indication as per technical analysis. So, follow the technical rules and sell accordingly. Long-term investors doing SIP, SEP must continue since the long-term attractiveness does not change due to election results. Also, if you are a long-term investor, you have surplus funds, you can invest some lump sum amounts in installments in fundamentally strong stocks by using contrarian technique. In fact, many investors may have invested some money today as well after seeing many stocks at significantly lower prices. We've been hearing many stock market experts stating to sell stocks which are held for long term, wait for the correct time to reinvest. Our opinion is that long-term investors should not sell stocks as long as they have time to wait and they hold fundamentally good stocks. Nobody will know when to reinvest once you sell, and most of the time investors end up buying when the market goes up again and not when it is down. End of the video, here is a question. Have you invested a significant amount of your money in PSU stocks? Yes or no? You may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.